Hello, my name is Lee and my channel is Lee Work at Home. And today I'm presenting to you a company called Faneuil, and they are hiring for a customer service work at home position. This position pays $13.50 an hour, and the purpose of this position is to deliver excellent customer care and create sustainable value for callers by way of phone, email, chat, and correspondence. The CSRs handle service and information requests, billing experiences, cost savings advice, and explain company policies and procedures along with terms and conditions. The call center hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., and Saturday, 10 a.m., to 4 p.m. Shifts will be determined toward the end of training. Training will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for 3 weeks. The essential functions for this position is to provide efficient and effective service to customers and prospects on all patron-based services to a variety of inquiries and caller needs. You will maintain a sincere interest in providing stellar customer care, understands customer needs, determine the appropriate course of action to meet these needs, and complete or initiate the transaction. You will exercise independent thinking and meeting customers' expectations. You will have combined knowledge of product, good work ethics, effective time management skills, human relations skills to meet performance standards and positively influence the client's image. You must have the ability to process information quickly and accurately, handle routine customer transactions, work under time constraints, understand and apply new concepts, analyze information and evaluate results, effectively deal with complex customers, and the ability to create positive customer relationships by defusing angry and upset customers. Also, demonstrate a commitment to learning quickly and effectively applying knowledge, as well as supporting creating a productive, positive work environment. And attention to detailed documentation and follow-up is needed. The minimum requirements for this position is a high school diploma or GED, a minimum of 6 months call center experience or at least 1 year of customer service experience, a knowledge of mainframe and computer and internet applications, Microsoft Office applications, excellent telephone, tact, and diplomacy, excellent written, verbal, and interpersonal communication skills with supervisors, peers, and customers, proficiency in keyboarding, data entry, exceptional oral and written communication skill demonstrated by use of correct grammar and terminology, time management skills, dependable, accurate, and detail-oriented, successful completion of a drug screen and background check, and the ability to work the hours of operation as shifts will not be assigned until the end of training, and the ability to attend 100% of the required weeks of training. Then we can scroll down, click the apply button if you feel that you're interested in this job. Also, I'll leave the link below this video in case you want to read more or find out more information on your own. And it'll take you to this screen. If you're already a member, then your username and password will show. If not, then you'll join with your name, first and last, your email address, your desired username, your password, confirm the password, and a password hint, and then you will hit register. And that will take you to another screen where you can upload your resume, cut and paste your resume, or not enter a resume at this time, or use your LinkedIn profile. They also say you can supply a copy letter, but it's optional, it's not necessary. And then after you complete the application process, then they will notify you by email for your next step to take. So if you feel that this job interests you, or you feel like you will want to know more information or apply for this job, I'll leave the link below this video in the comments section. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notifying bell to get updated job opportunities and other helpful information I provide. Also, click that thumbs up to like this video. And thank you for joining me today, and you have a nice day.